Here I've got Samsung Galaxy M30s, and let me show you how to speed up the following device. So at first let's open the list of all applications, then find and pick Settings. Now locate and open Device Care. And just wait a couple of seconds. As you can see, now your device is being checked. And you can at first optimize your phone now, so smoothly click on Optimize now. Click on Done. As you can see, we free up some space, and now it will work faster. Then let's go to Storage. And if cleaned tab would be active, smoothly tap on it, and then you will free up some space, free up some storage to make your phone work faster, work quicker. Then let's open memory. And also wait a couple of seconds until your device is automatically scanned. And as you can see here, we can free up some memory by stopping background apps. To do it, smoothly tap on Clean Now. And this is it. As you can see, we've just freed up some space. And finally, you can also perform a virus scan. You can check if you have any viruses, and if your device will detect some of them, you will be able to get rid of them. So smoothly click on Security, Activate, and then click on Scan Phone. And that's it. As you can see, your device is secure and there is no virus, so that would be all. This how you can smoothly speed up your phone. You can also switch off all running apps in your phone. Smoothly tap on this switcher to check what's active and then close all. It also will speed up your phone. So that would be all. This how you can smoothly and easily speed up Galaxy M30s. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.